Hello everybody, welcome back. That's Fire here. We are looking at how we can use the scanner to insert data or information that we need for our code to run. We have seen two examples of text in our two previous videos. In this one, we're going to use number input from a user input device like keyboard. So in this short video again, I'm going to use user input. The user inputs a number, and we're going to check if that number is even or odd, and then print out whether it is even or odd with explanation. So it's very short, but we use a number, probably integer, to test that. The big idea here is that we can use scanner to also input different types. So let's call this even or odd, okay, or odd. Just include main method, and then we're gonna use here. So let's use int. Okay, let's define it as x, and then we use the scanner as we can use any name here. Scanner system dot in, okay, and we import our scanner object. What is this one? We missed a new because we are creating new. That is a very important keyboard. This is, we import the scanner from Java utilities, but we are creating a new object of this scanner so that we can use it. And then after that, we ask the user to insert a number out dot print. I'm gonna say please enter a number, okay, and then the entered value will be stored in x. Already defined it, so x will take in that number, and this is what we use if it is int. So we have to use text in as an int, and then if we're gonna, this is where we're gonna check if x is, this means when x is divided by 2, and if we get 0, so that means x is even, isn't it? If for example 5 is divided by 4 is divided by 2, and if the remainder is 0, that is even. How we check that? So we print this system dot out dot print, what we're gonna say now x plus in the is an even number. That's what it prints, okay. And outside this else, the system will print if then if it is not uneven, it should be sorry, if it's not uneven, it should be odd. So the system prints out system dot out dot print x is an odd number, okay. System that's coming out there, an odd number, okay. There is no issue here. This should have been S. So and now we can run our program. Run. Now let's give it 8. Enter. So 8 is, let's a little bit of space. So it should have been from here to this side, not from that side. Run again. 6. 6 is an even number. Run again. Let's give it 11. 11 is an odd number. So this uses int integer. Previously we used next or next line for string. So this is another way to use scanner. We called and initialized the scanner object, and then we asked the user to input. Then after that we store it in X. After we have it in X, so we started our operation on X. We divided X by 2, and if the mode of X or the modalities of X is 0, which means X divided by 2, that's the remainder is 0. If it means always even, and if not even, then it is odd. We don't have to code another definition of that. It's equal to 1, then it will be fine. And then we operate on it. When we run, we get that. We get an input stored in here, and check that. If that's not correct answer, that will be print out. If it is correct, this will print out. So this is the user input type from scanner. And I will see this more often in some of our videos in next programming. And I wrap up this section over here. If you come this far in your learning, well done, and I also like to congratulate you. You have seen the most important part of and learned the most important features and parts of Java programming, and you can use those those knowledge to manipulate, to code, and to exercise more. And this code, I hope, will be available to you to download and to exercise on it as well. And see you in the next section. Bye for now.